In this first spine-tingling tale footage, we explore a homeowner's creepy experiences. He started noticing strange things happening around his house, window blinds dropping by themselves, doors opening on their own, and loud, unexplained noises coming from his garage. These odd events kept happening, making him increasingly uneasy. One night, when the strange sounds began again, he decided it was time to investigate. In this mysterious footage, we delve into an extraordinary and almost unbelievable story from a family's home. They began to notice something strange about a sculpture of Jesus they had. Its facial expression seemed to change over time. Initially, when they shared their observations with friends and neighbors, no one believed them. Determined to prove what they had seen, the family decided to set up a camera to record the sculpture. The footage they captured is nothing short of remarkable.
Se está moviendo el párpado.
Quiere parpadear. Dale para que no se vea el reflejo.
Quiere parpadear, le hace así.
Quiere parpadear.
Le hace así,
Anda, madre.
como que tiene que hacer mucha fuerza.
¿Cuál se está moviendo más? ¿El de este lado o el de aquel? Yo el de acá.
Mira.
Mira.
Está viendo que lo estás grabando. Mira, parpadeó. No manches.
Miren cómo se hace.
Está parpadeando. Mira porque te está viendo.
A mí hasta me dolieron los ojos.
Pero como que quiere parpadear.
Mira en medio, ahí se le ve la cuenca blanca de la ira.
No quiere parpadear.
Y si tiene vida.
Mira,
¿Cuál?
No manches.
mira,
Puede ser.
¿Cuál?
el de aquel lado.
Ah, sí, este de aquel lado, es aquel. De
Es que
aquel.
aquel no se le ve por el copete.
Pero yo siento que aquel.
No, yo veo el de este lado. Mira.
El de allá lo está mueve. El de acá.
Mira, ahí lo tiene en medio, Grecia. Lo va a entrar por el.
Mira para arriba.
Mira, ¿ya viste cómo lo va a entrar por
Está
la
moviendo para
orilla?
arriba. Lo está moviendo para arriba.
El otro no se lo pudo ver. Ahí está.
Lo movió para el lado, ¿sí vieron? Míralo muy bien. Lo está moviendo.
Mira, ya lo movió.
Mira, lo está moviendo.
Curioso.
Y es que no puede ser nuestra vista también, porque mira aquí en la cámara también se ve.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents. In this spine-tingling encounter, we follow a man as he explores a place known as the Mirror House. As he navigates through the house, he starts noticing unusual and eerie changes reflected in the mirrors. The unsettling atmosphere intensifies when a door suddenly opens by itself right behind him. To make things even more chilling, his camera footage reveals a mysterious figure, appearing as a woman, reflected in the mirror right behind him.
In the video, the man is navigating through a particularly dark area of the house. As he looks into one of the mirrors, a door opens behind him, which is quite eerie, but the most chilling part is coming up. Take a look and see what happens next. It appears that something, possibly a person, is emerging right behind him. Given that the place has been abandoned, this raises the question, is it an intruder or did something paranormal occur here? It's incredibly spooky to say the least.
Viewers, you can send your creepy footage to Creepy Chronicle and subscribe to our channel for more eyes-opening contents. In this unsettling and spine-chilling events, we observe a concerned mother who set up a camera in her daughter's room. Her daughter had been complaining about seeing a strange figure in her closet. To comfort her, the mother decided to sleep in the room with her. Late at night, the girl began shouting in fear, pointing toward a specific direction. The mother witnessed this terrifying moment firsthand. Ever since that night, she has kept her daughter out of the room, believing it to be haunted by a ghost. In this unsettling and eerie encounter, we take you to a quiet, lonely restaurant at night where strange events unfold. A security officer on duty hears the sound of a girl crying but, puzzlingly, sees no one on the surveillance cameras. He sends a colleague to investigate. The second officer, upon arrival, is seen talking to an empty chair, as if he can see the girl. According to him, the girl claimed she was looking for her mother. In this spine-chilling moment, we enter a seemingly ordinary toy store at night, where things take a frightening turn. The store owner is alerted to movement inside the store through his security camera. Curious and concerned, he checks the live feed and is shocked by what he sees, a toy standing and moving on its own, with no one else in the store. This spine-chilling moment leaves him in disbelief and fear.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.